Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Most people never achieve their dreams, not because they're not smart, not because they're not talented, but because they can't force themselves to do the things they know they should do. If you can learn this one skill, to act even when you don't want to, you can achieve almost any goal in your life. Stay with me for a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that power. We all dream big. We all make plans. We all have goals: a better body, more money, better habits, a better life. But here's the brutal truth: goals don't care about your feelings. Your dreams don't care if you're tired, busy, lazy, or not in the mood. Every day, your mind gives you two choices: do what's easy now, do what's necessary for your future. Most people choose the first option and then wonder why nothing changes. But if you're watching this, you're not most people. You want to learn how to force yourself to take action, consistently, powerfully, and without excuses. Let's break down the mindset shift that will change your life. Understand the enemy, your own mind. Your mind isn't built for success. It's built for survival. And survival means conserving energy, avoiding discomfort, and staying safe. So the moment you plan something hard, workout, study, start a business, wake up early, your brain kicks in. Later. Not today. You don't feel like it. You deserve a rest. This is not weakness. This is biology. But here's the secret: you don't need to feel ready to act. You only need to stop listening to the excuses your brain creates. The power of doing things you don't want to do. Every successful person has one thing in common: they don't wait for motivation. They don't wait for the right moment. They don't wait to feel inspired. They simply do what needs to be done. And the more you force yourself to act, the stronger your self-control becomes. Think of it like a muscle. Every time you do something difficult, that mental muscle grows. And suddenly, the things that felt impossible start feeling normal. The 5-second activation rule. This is one of the simplest, most effective tools ever. Whenever your brain starts hesitating, when you wake up, when you want to procrastinate, when you're scared to start, you count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Why does this work? Because hesitation kills action. But counting interrupts your brain's excuses and forces you to move before overthinking kicks in. Start doing this every single day. You'll be shocked at how quickly your discipline grows. Build a system, not a mood. Here's another truth: motivation is a liar. It shows up when things are fun and disappears when things get serious. So stop relying on motivation. Instead, build a system. A system is a daily routine that you follow even when you feel nothing. Example: 30 minutes reading every day, 1 hour of learning a skill, 45 minutes workout, 10 minutes planning, 2 hours deep work. These are not suggestions. These are non-negotiables. Once you create a system, your life stops being controlled by your mood and starts being controlled by your purpose. Break down your goals way smaller. Most people fail because their goals look too big. Lose weight, start a business, become financially free, become confident. These are not goals, they're dreams. Goals must be small actions, not giant results. Instead of lose weight, your goal is: drink water, walk 20 minutes, eat one clean meal, do 50 push-ups. Instead of start a business, your goal is: learn 30 minutes, create one tiny product, reach out to 5 clients, practice 1 hour. Small actions are easy to do, and even easier to repeat. And repetition is what creates the big results you want. Reward yourself for consistency, not results. Here's where most people go wrong. They celebrate results. But results take months. What you must celebrate is showing up. You worked out today? That's a win. You read today? Win. You took action today? Win. Why? Because consistency is the real superpower. Results are just the side effect. Build the identity of a disciplined person. You must stop saying things like, "I'm lazy. I'm not consistent. I always quit. I can't wake up early." Your identity shapes your actions. But here's the good news: identity is a choice. Start telling yourself, "I am disciplined. I am focused. I finish what I start. I follow through. I show up even when I don't feel like it." Your brain will slowly begin to match this identity with your daily actions. Listen carefully. Your future self is watching you right now. They are waiting for you to stop talking about your goals and finally go after them. Nothing changes until you learn to force yourself. Not with anger, but with commitment. At the end of the day, your goals come down to one simple habit: do it whether you feel like it or not. That's the difference between people who dream and people who achieve. So today, not tomorrow, take one uncomfortable step toward your goal. Just one, then another tomorrow, then another the next day. And before you know it, you won't just have discipline, you'll have the life you used to only imagine.